Hey dude, you ever wake up and just feel like the world is whispering your name?
For real, I usually just wake up and hit snooze like 3 times.
Yeah, I get you. But imagine this: sunlight sneaking through your window, birds chirping, coffee brewing, and the smell of toast in the kitchen. Totally peaceful, right?
Whoa, that actually sounds awesome. Kinda makes me want to get out of bed for once.
That's exactly the vibe I'm talking about. And here's the thing: you know those little morning habits? They're tiny, but they can totally change how your whole day goes.
Tiny? Dude, I barely have energy for brushing my teeth, let alone changing my life.
I get you. But let's try something fun today. Let's take our listeners through a real morning. Ready?
Totally, let's do it.
All right, first thing in the morning, wake up. Say it with me. I wake up at 7 a.m.
Repeat after me. I wake up at 7 a.m.
Awesome. Next, brush your teeth. Easy one. I brush my teeth every morning.
Repeat after me. I brush my teeth every morning.
And now, coffee. Or tea if that's your vibe. Say it. I make coffee in the morning.
Repeat after me. I make coffee in the morning.
Perfect. Now imagine this. You're sipping your coffee, the sun is warm on your face, and, oh man, I almost forgot my keys this morning.
No way. You totally forgot your keys?
For real. Had to do the dash back to the kitchen. But it made me laugh, and it got me thinking. Mornings can be full of surprises.
Wait, what kind of surprises? Like good surprises or...
Both, dude. Sometimes you find a little joy in the small things, like a perfect toast or a song on the radio you didn't expect, and sometimes you spill coffee on your shirt.
Oh man, that's legit relatable. I've been there so many times.
Here's a quick little challenge for our listeners. Try to say out loud 3 things you do every morning. Doesn't have to be fancy, just simple stuff.
Yeah, like I brush my teeth, I eat breakfast, I walk the dog. Totally doable.
Exactly. And hey, this is just the start. There's so much more that happens after the morning. Commuting, work, lunch, all that Bailey adventure.
Adventure in the everyday? I like that. Makes me feel like my boring mornings are actually kind of cool.
Totally. And speaking of cool, did you know the average American spends about 26 minutes commuting each way? Some lucky folks get to listen to music, some get podcasts, some get traffic jams.
Oh man, traffic jams are my nightmare. But I guess it's all part of the story, right?
And that's what makes your day interesting. Every little moment, even the small ones, tells a story.
I'm starting to see that. Even getting out of bed isn't so bad when you look at it like a mini adventure.
And here's a mini cliffhanger for our listeners. Later today, I almost missed something super important. Want to guess what it was?
Ooh, suspense. I'm curious. You'll have to stay tuned to find out.
Yep, no spoilers, dude. But for now, let's slow it down and enjoy this morning vibe. Imagine the birds, the sunlight, the smell of breakfast. Take a deep breath.
Yeah, that's pretty relaxing. All right, listeners, your turn. Say it with us. I enjoy my morning.
Repeat after me. I enjoy my morning. Perfect. All right, let's grab our bags because the day is waiting. But we'll get to that adventure in just a minute.
Can't wait, dude. Mornings are more exciting than I thought.
Totally. And that's just the start. All right, dude. So we're out the door, shoes on, backpack ready. The world is waiting.
Yeah, and the bus is waiting to make us late, for real.
Totally. So I usually take the bus, but some people bike, walk, or even drive. How about you?
I walk most days. Gives me time to wake up fully and listen to a podcast. Like this one.
Nice. Multitasking already. All right, listeners, quick pronunciation check. Repeat after me. I take the bus to work.
Repeat after me. I take the bus to work.
Perfect. Now try this one. I walk to school.
Repeat after me. I walk to school.
Awesome. So here's a little story. This morning I almost missed my stop. No way I didn't panic for like 30 seconds.
Oh man, that's classic. Did you make it on time?
Barely. And it got me thinking, everyday routines can be tiny adventures, even the commute.
Tiny adventures? Dude, you're making traffic sound exciting.
For real. Like, notice the little things. People reading, music playing, dogs in the park. Small stuff makes the day interesting.
True. All right, ESL challenge, mini quiz. Fill in the blank. I blank to work at 8 a.m. Choices: go, goes, going. Go.
Exactly. I go to work at 8 a.m. Simple, but it works.
And what about the meetings, dude? That's where the real action happens.
Yeah, meetings can be, let's say, unpredictable. 1 minute, everything's chill. The next, someone forgot a report and chaos ensues.
No way. That happened to you?
Totally. And here's a little tip. Say this with me. Can you explain that again, please? Perfect for meetings or classes.
Repeat after me. Can you explain that again, please?
Awesome. Okay, lunchtime. Picture it. A food truck outside. Sun shining, sandwiches everywhere. Pretty cool, right?
Oh yeah, and maybe a little snack too. Gotta keep energy up.
Here's a listening check. Which word did I say? Sandwich, burger, or pizza?
Sandwich.
Yep, sandwich. Easy, right?
Curious. So, Nick, what happened at your morning meeting today? You teased us earlier.
Can't spoil it yet, dude. Let's just say someone forgot something really important and I had to improvise.
Oh man, I'm curious now.
That's the thing. Small moments make the day memorable, even a little chaos.
Totally. And I get you. Sometimes it's not the big stuff, but these tiny surprises that make you smile.
Exactly. All right, quick ESL micro challenge. Try to say 3 things you did on your commute today. Could be walking, listening to music, or seeing something fun.
Like, I walked to the bus stop, listened to music, and saw a dog in the park.
Perfect. That's exactly it. Little moments, little stories.
Dude, the day's only starting and already sounds exciting.
Totally. And after this, we're diving into the afternoon, work, lunch, and all the little adventures that come next.
Can't wait. Let's see what chaos awaits.
Yeah, stay tuned because things are about to get interesting. All right, dude. Now we're in the thick of it. Work mode. Emails, meetings, and trying not to spill coffee on your notes.
Ah, man, been there. That panic when your laptop screen freezes, totally stressful.
Exactly. So, picture this. Morning meeting, everyone's serious, and then I accidentally dropped my pen. All eyes on me.
No way. That's legit embarrassing.
Totally. But it's these tiny moments that make the day memorable. All right, listeners, let's try a role play. Imagine you're in a meeting and don't understand something. Repeat after me. Can you explain that again, please?
Repeat after me. Can you explain that again, please?
Awesome. Okay, emails next. Quick tip. I check my email every morning. Say it with me.
Repeat after me. I check my email every morning. Dude, I feel like my inbox is a jungle sometimes.
For real. And lunch? Best part of the day, right? Imagine a sunny courtyard, a food truck, and that first bite of your sandwich. Totally worth it.
Yeah, and maybe a little dessert too. Gotta treat yourself.
Quick micro challenge. Describe your lunch in 1 or 2 sentences. Ready?
I ate a sandwich and drank orange juice.
Perfect. Easy and clear.
Nick, what's the funniest thing that ever happened to you at work?
Oh man, once I spilled coffee all over my notes right before a big presentation. I thought everyone would laugh, but instead, my boss totally helped me out.
That's awesome. Lesson learned, coffee and presentations don't mix.
Exactly. And that's the beauty of the day. It's a mix of work, little chaos, and unexpected kindness.
Totally. And it's kinda cool to notice these things, you know? Makes work less boring.
Yep. All right, let's practice one more thing. Say this: I have lunch at 12 p.m.
Repeat after me. I have lunch at 12 p.m.
Nice. Now imagine the afternoon. Back to work, a couple more emails, maybe a quick coffee break. Tiny moments add up, dude.
Micro adventures everywhere. I'm starting to think my day is actually pretty exciting.
Totally. And hey, quick curiosity question for listeners. What's the funniest thing that's ever happened to you at work or school? Write it down or tell a friend.
Yeah, share your mini adventures. Even tiny stuff counts.
And before we wrap up the afternoon, one last ESL tip. Say this with me: I finish work at 5 p.m.
Repeat after me. I finish work at 5 p.m.
Perfect. That's a simple, everyday sentence that's super useful.
All right, dude, the day's almost done, but the evening's coming, and I hear that's when the real relaxation happens.
Yep, evening vibes. Cooking dinner, winding down, maybe catching a show or reading. But that story about my important thing, still a mystery.
Suspense. I'm on the edge of my seat.
And that's exactly why we love these daily routines. Even ordinary moments can feel like a story.
Totally. Can't wait to see how the day ends.
All right, listeners, take a moment to think about your afternoon. What little adventures happened? And get ready, tomorrow's evening story might just inspire you.
Yeah, can't wait to unwind and share the rest with you.
All right, picture this. The sun is going down, the sky's turning orange and pink, and the day finally slows down.
Dude, that's my favorite time, when work's done and my brain can finally chill.
Exactly. So I finish work at 5, close my laptop, and take a deep breath. Say it with me. I finish work at 5 p.m.
Repeat after me. I finish work at 5 p.m.
Nice. Then it's time to head home. Maybe you're driving, maybe you're walking, maybe you're just happy the day is over.
For real, that walk home feels different in the evening. Everything's quieter.
Totally. And when I get home, first thing I do, I take off my shoes. Best feeling ever.
No way, same here. Shoes off means the day is officially done.
All right, evening routine time. Repeat after me. I cook dinner at 7 p.m.
Repeat after me. I cook dinner at 7 p.m.
Perfect. Maybe you cook, maybe you order food, maybe you just heat something up. All good.
Yeah, no pressure. Dinner is dinner.
Here's a quick pronunciation check. Say it slowly with me. Dinner.
Repeat after me. Dinner.
Awesome. After dinner, I like to relax. Simple word, but super important. Say it. I relax in the evening.
Repeat after me. I relax in the evening.
Ah, yes, the mystery. So here it is. I almost forgot to call my mom.
Oh man, that's important.
Yeah, I remembered at the last minute, picked up the phone, and we talked for 10 minutes. It totally changed my mood.
That's kinda beautiful, dude.
And that's the thing. Even at the end of a normal day, one small moment can make everything better.
Totally. For me, it's sitting on the couch, watching a show, and just breathing.
Say it with me. I watch TV in the evening.
Repeat after me. I watch TV in the evening.
Nice. Or maybe you read, or listen to music, or talk with family. Every routine is different, and that's awesome.
Quick listening check. What did Nick say? Watch TV, play sports, or go shopping? Watch TV.
Exactly. You're doing great.
Dude, we started this day waking up tired, and now it feels like a full story.
That's because it is. Your day matters, even the boring parts, especially the small parts.
All right, last micro challenge for today. Try saying your whole day in 3 simple sentences: morning, afternoon, evening.
No pressure, just simple English. You got this.
And if you make mistakes, no worries. That's how learning works.
Before we go, here's something important. Learning English isn't about being perfect. It's about showing up every day, just like your routine.
Yeah, one day, one sentence, one small win at a time.
If this conversation helped you even a little, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss more daily English practice like this.
And tell us in the comments, what's your favorite part of the day? Morning, afternoon, or evening?
We really want to know. Your stories matter here.
And if you want to keep practicing, check out another video on daily routines or weekend life. It's a pretty cool next step.
Thanks for spending part of your day with us.
Yeah, take a deep breath, enjoy your evening, and we'll see you soon.
You're doing great. For real.